to 24 on the 2s. And also we need to remember that the 3s actually go 33, 36. And then our 4s go 44, 48. Because we need to know 11 times and 12 times. Let's say our 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, almost done. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and we're done. 33, 36. Maybe we should do that. 33, 36. That's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. 44, 48. Okay. All right. Quick review of flashcards. Why? There is too much talking. We're not going to be able to do minds on math. Because our mouths need to be on math first. Which means we need to zip unless it's your turn to talk. Okay? So, I am just going to do our flashcards, and as a class, we'll review them, okay? So, here we go.
0, 0.
Oh, there's a bunch of zeros in the way. Tell you what, give me a second, let me mix them up.
9, 3.
It's enough. Sorry, I thought they were already mixed up. Okay.
0, 0, 1, 1, 6, 5, 0. 27,
27,
3, 27, 18, 15. I don't know.
24,
0, 8, 16, no,
16,
36. 36.
Mhm.
36. 24, 16, 4, 16, 18, 0, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0,
haha, gotcha. 20. Let's have the first person in the row stand up for Minds on Math. If you are talking, you will not be allowed to participate. Or if you're singing or making noise. Okay, ready? First person in each row. So actually, it would have been Marissa. So, ready? 5 minus 2 times 3. Let me see. I said that wrong. I'm sorry. Back up. 5 minus 2. I was thinking the answer. Times 2 plus 5 equals
11.
yes. minus 5 equals
15.
3 plus 8 minus 3 times 2 equals
20. Can I say it again?
All right, one more time. 3 plus 8 minus 3 times 2 equals.
16.
Oh, that was a tie. I'm going to give it to both of you because that was a tie. Okay? All right, so you can sit down. The second person in the row, stand up. So, Mackenzie, Noah, Jed, Logan, and Jana. Well, but you're the second person in the row. Because he's technically in this row. Yeah. We'll just do it like that. Ready? 17 minus 5 plus 4 minus 6 equals. Yeah. Next one. 4 times 5 plus 5 minus 3 equals.
22.
I heard Noah first. That was a close one. And then 12 plus 5 minus 6 times 2 equals
25.
22. Yeah. Okay. You can be seated. And the third person in the row. Jensen, that's you. Ready? 4 times 2 plus 8 minus 3 equals.
15. What was that? 4 times 2. I got that.
Okay. I'll repeat it, but if you don't know it, don't say, "Can you repeat it?" Because somebody else might be trying to think of the answer. Okay? Now, when I see that everyone is struggling, I'll redo it. But don't
13.
say right away. Actually, Jensen just got it. 13.
Yeah, I was thinking 8 plus 8 means 18, and then minus 3, 15, and I was thinking 8 plus 8 equals 6.
8 plus 8, 16 minus 3. Yeah. Okay, ready? 4 times 1 plus 12 minus 4 equals.
12.
We'll say that's a tie. Jensen and
I thought it was Jason.
okay, and one more. 9 minus 2. I'm sorry. 9 times 2 plus 4 minus 2 equals.
20.
Yes. Okay, and then the last person in the row, number 5. Okay. 6 times 2 plus 5 minus 3 plus 2 equals
16.
16. Did you both say 16? I think you both said it at the same time.
Yeah, I think it is.
Micah and Autumn. Okay, you both got it. Tie. Next one. 2 times 2 times 3 minus 4 equals.
8.
Autumn. One more. 11 times 2 plus 8 minus 4 equals 26. Close. All right. Good job. Man, you guys are quick. Okay. Have a seat. So, for numbers 1 and 2, we're going to add Well, we're going to figure out what coins and bills we need to make the amount. So cross out the exact bills and coins needed for the amount shown. So we're on page 25. So we need to have $35.48. So who wants to do that? Jacob?
Should we do this by ourselves and this gets graded for because it's a review.
No, we're going to do it together.
We should know it by ourselves.
We're going to do it together, but tomorrow your homework is going to be a review page out of your activity book, which I will probably grade. Okay? But I like to do these together just so we're on the same understanding of review. Yes?
I want to
You want to do number 1?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell us what bills and coins to cross out.
Cross out the $20 bill
Mm-hmm.
and the $10 bill
Mm-hmm.
and one $5 bill.
Correct. So that's 20, 30, 35. So
And cross out one
quarter.
quarter.
Mhm.
1 quarter.
Now what? So we've got
And go through the dimes. How many dimes? 45.
okay, so we've got 1 quarter, 25, 2 dimes, 35, 45. And what?
And 3 pennies.
Very good. So 1 quarter, 2 dimes, and 3 pennies. Let's count it together. Ready? 25, 35, 45, 46, 47, 48. So you should have had crossed out the 20, the 10, and the 5, and then those coins. All right, number 2, Logan.
Cross out a 10 and a 5, then a nickel and 2 pennies.
Okay, and something else. Because if you only do a 10 and a 5, that's $15.
Sorry, I didn't see my line. And a 1.
Correct. So all 3 of the bills we're going to cross out. And then a nickel is 5, and 2 pennies is 2. So 5 and 2 is 7. Good. Numbers 3 through 5. We're going to circle the digit in the place listed. Write the value of the circled digit. So number 3, what digit is in the hundred thousands place? Just go ahead and tell me. The 8. And what is the value of the 8?
800,000.
800,000. Number 4, what digit is in the hundreds place?
The 1.
The 1, and so the value is
100.
100. Good. And number 5, what digit is in the 10 millions place? The 5, so what's the value?
50 million.
Good. 50 million. All right, numbers 6 through 9. We're going to match the number to the word form or the expanded form. So number 6, what is the answer for number 6? Which one matches with number 6? Letter,
B.
not B. Look, some of them you have to read the whole entire thing. Go ahead and say it. C. Because C says 900,000 plus 20,000 plus 7,000 plus 500 plus 2. Number 7
B. B.
is B. Number 8 is D. Because D says 270,971. And number 9 is
A.
A. chart to write the points from least to greatest. So these were the points that the teams got. So tell me what team got the least, and then we'll write the points.
Sailors.
The Sailors did. So they only got 84,306. So that's,
Should I write sailors or what?
no, write the number. Okay, now what's the next greatest number? Alex?
Captains.
Okay, how much did they have?
128,944.
Right. Right, so the first thing you see is which has the least amount of digits. So this only had 5 digits, this has 6, so this is automatic the least. And then we look at the number with the greatest place value. So the 1 has the greatest place value, and that's less than the 8s, which are on the next 2 numbers. So which one comes first? 857,439 or 863,292?
857,439.
Right. So that means our greatest number is 863,292. Okay? On the back, we're going to write greater than, less than, or equal to compare. So for number 11, who can read that as a number sentence? Logan?
756,431
Read it to me. Like, do you say greater than, less than, or equal to?
is greater than 7,5600 for 121.
Yes, greater than. Okay, let's review real quick how to say numbers. So let's say we have, no, don't say it yet. That's not very good. Okay, so remember the periods. We have our ones period, our, what is this? Thousands period, and then our millions period. So what we do, we say the number in the period, and then we say the name of the period. So we would say 291,345,789. You don't need to say 1. Okay? So when you're saying a number, that's how you say them. All right, number 2. Jacob?
4,775,000.
Or I'm sorry, this is 11 and 12. All right, number 12.
6,902.
Is what? Is it less than, greater than, or equal to? Yes, it is less than 65,903. Number 13, Micah.
25,400.
less than, finish reading it. 253,711. Number 14, Brayden.
4,775,018 is greater than 477,518.
Very good. Number 15. Noah, you do 15?
6,523 is greater than 3,000.
Right. Okay, everybody's making sure you write these answers in because this is going to be your study guide. So if you're not filling in the answers or you're putting the wrong answers, you're going to have the wrong answers to study for your test. Number 16, Jed.
Number 16.
Mm-hmm.
600,000.
No, 625,000.
625,000.
32
And 6
is
652,023.
okay.
And 652,023 is the greater number.
Okay, so how we would say it is 625,032 is less than 652,023. Okay, you read it left to right just like a sentence. Okay? Number 17, Mason.
82,000.
No, 80,000 plus 2,000 plus 100.
80,000 plus 200 plus 100 plus 10 plus 3 is equal to. What's the other number?
All right, we'll finish it up. Say is equal to 82,113.
Equal to 82,113.
Okay, number 18. Jensen.
426. Okay, 400 plus
400,000
400,000 plus 20,000 plus 6,000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 4.
The clock must be reading. Okay, is
Less than 428,634.
good. Shoo! We got through that. Okay. It's not hard to say if you just remember to say the periods after each period.
Is that the lunchtime bell though?
I think it is, but the clock fell and the battery came out, so we're going to finish this page and then we'll have lunch. All right, number 19. We're going to round to the place with the greatest value. Circle the number. So if we have 66,810, what are we gonna round down or up? Right, because we look at the number with the greatest value, which is our 6. It's in the 10,000s place. So I'm gonna look at this number next to it, and that's gonna tell me if I go round up or down. So 1 to 4, stay on the floor. 5 to 6, 5 to 9, climb the vine. So 6 means round up. So we're gonna round up to 70,000. Okay, so circle 70,000. Number 20, are we going to round down to 30,000 or up to 40,000?
Down.
Right, down to 30,000. So circle that answer.
Down to 20,000.
No, down to 30,000.
How would it be down to 30,000?
We're on number 20.
Oh.
Number 21, round down to 200,000 or round up?
Down.
Right. Round down to 200,000. Because if we have 249,365, I'm gonna see whether I round 2 up to 3 or it stays at 2. So look at my number next to it is 4. 4 is stay on the floor. So 200,000. Okay, number 22, round up or down?
Down. Up.
Up. Up to 8,000. Number 23, 851, round up or down?
Up.
Up. Up to 900. And number 24, round
Up.
up to 600,000.
What was number 20?
Number 20 was 30,000. All right, number 25, we're gonna color to show the decimal. So, the 0.8, which is 8/10. Now, do we have any whole numbers?
No.
No, so we're not gonna color any of the first block. Okay, so this is leave blank. And then how many of the second one do we color?
8.
Okay, so I'm gonna color 8. Okay. And what about for number 26? We have 1 3/10. So how are we gonna color 1 3/10?
One whole
Nicholas.
Color the beginning, all of it,
Mm-hmm.
and then color 3 on the next one.
Right. So the first square, you're gonna color the whole thing, because it's one whole. And then you're gonna color 3 of them on the second one. So you can almost imagine a decimal point being right here. Okay, because that's 0.8, 1.3. Can kind of envision that. 27, number 27. Now we have hundredths. So we have 53 hundredths. So how would we color in that? Alright, so our first square is like this. Imagine a decimal point. Are we going to color this in at all? No, because there's 0 whole numbers. And how many little squares are we going to color on this? 53. Okay. So I'm just kind of, so you should draw color in half and then 3 little squares like that. And then number 28, we have 1 87 hundredths. So how would we color 1 87 hundredths? Logan?
Color in the first one whole,
Right?
then color 8 tens, and then 7 ones on the next one.
Okay, you can say it like that. Yeah. Or you can say 87 of the 100. So remember that each column has 10 in it, so you don't need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, you can count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So you're coloring 8 columns and then 7 extra squares. Now, we're going to write the decimal for numbers 29 through 32. Write the number in standard form. So that standard form always means in the digits, like in the regular digit form. So how do we write 7 hundredths? Don't let it trick you. How do you write? How should we write 7 hundredths? Logan, do you know?
A 7.
So if I just write this, that means 7 hundredths?
No. Then 3 more zeros.
Nope, that would be 7,000. Okay, Jana?
0, decimal point,
remember your place values. These are all your whole numbers. These are where you have 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. When we go to this side of the decimal, we have our fractions. So we have tenths, hundredths. Now, in order for this to be in the hundredths place, we have to put a 0 in the tenths to keep it there. Number 30, how do we write 3 and 25 hundredths? Dylan, how would we write that? Three and 25 hundredths.
3.25.
Very good. 3.25. Number 31, 1 and 6/10. Jaina.
1.6.
Good. And then, how would we write 18 hundredths? Okay, I've called on Logan a lot. Let me call on someone else who hasn't had a turn. Autumn?
0.18.
Right. 0.18. Okay? 18 hundredths. All right, you may put your books away.